Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. It's Monday morning, and it's so crazy. I got 40. I started out with 58 birds. I got 41 birds in the box. No more birds in the pen. But what was crazy, last night it was raining real hard. I said I didn't want to come out and let the trap up, so I left the trap down. And one of the bars was still open. This morning, I got 5 of them on the roof. There's 3, there's one on the other side. And believe it or not, I came out and about 10 of them took off, not counting these right here. So they've been gone for about, I've been there trying to catch all these birds. So they've been gone for at least 15 minutes. So that I know that they disappeared. They're not flying around, they are gone. I'm gonna try to put this on pause when I take them for a toss. I'm not worrying about those birds. I'm just gonna toss the ones that I do got right here. And I'm quite sure those will be here when I get back, and then we'll see how long it takes these guys to get back. All right, I'm gonna try to leave my camera on pause so I can do the whole thing without trying to edit, which I don't know how to do. So let me get them in the truck. All right, family, I'm back at 3.2 miles, 7:57, 79 degrees. It was 80 degrees yesterday. I want to say that I got most of the birds back, but like I said, we're gonna have to look. But back to my same parking lot. It did rain last night, and it rained a little bit this morning. But if you see, the sun is still out, but it's got a little haze on it. But back to the same parking lot. I left my tripod at home, so I'm not gonna sweat it. I'm just gonna have to put this phone somewhere where it can just record a little bit, and then I'll just grab it. All right, the sun just came out of the cloud. Oh, just went in the clouds, but you see it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and toss them. I ain't gonna wait for the sun to come back out. We're just gonna get them in the air. One circle. The other ones, you see, they broke already, but they going their own way. They're definitely going the wrong way, but they're getting some height. Got 2 little groups there, the big group and the little group. They're going that way. They should be going towards the church. Still looking at them. They flying right above that tree. Can't see them no more. They are. I'm gonna give them a second or two to see if they come back out. All right, well, they gone. Let's go home. See when they get there. All right. It's 8:06, 79 degrees. Let's head to the house. Well, they actually beat me home. I seen them shoot past the house. This was before battling was televised. Oh, that's some shit. You could hear what was going on. Let's take a look, see what it is. And when I tell you, me and Biz was. There you go. It was 41 in the basket. So let's see what we got going on back here. This time I will count them tonight, because I'm going to check the trap Cause I gotta go to work tomorrow. Okay. You look at them, they're not panting, so that means give me a pretty good thing. They're getting a little bit getting better in shape. All right, family. Let's see. We got some that was in already. That's probably the ones that was routing earlier. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of them in the inside. Oh, a few of them are panting. Not that much though. All right, family. Comment, subscribe. Second toss, 3.2 miles. They beat me home. We jump into 5, then we go into 10, and then we go into 20. All right, peace.